Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of matrices chapter. This is a chapter of first year maths. In this 3B's exercise section 2 we are going to find the solutions in this video. Now starting with the first question here. Now here first question is given that what is the first question here? If A is equal to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3 is a matrix given by 3 by 3 matrix is given here, then find the value of A power of 4 here. Now solution here. So A power of 4 we have to find. So first we have to find A square into A square. This is also will come. Okay. So A square I will try to find out. A square is equal to A into A is equal to, so 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Okay. So into same, see 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3 will come here. Okay. So in this, if we multiply with this with it will become, so this into this, no? Okay. So 3 3 ja 9. Okay. So 0 into 0 0 plus, okay, 0 1 0 into 0 plus 0 here. Again 3 into 0 0 and 0 into 3 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 into 0 0 plus here. Again this 3 into 0 0, so 0 into 0 0 plus 0 will come here. Okay. Again 0 3 ja 0, so this with, and 3 into 0 0 plus, and 0 into 0 0, so this will come like this. So 0 into 0 0 plus 3 3 ja 9 will come here, and 0 into 0 0, so here this will also total values will come as 0 here. So again with this total, this one we have to do here. So 0 into 3 0 plus 0 plus 0 will come. Again this is also 0 plus 0 plus 0 will come. So here 0 plus 9 plus 0 will come here. This 3 3 ja 9 in the last term will come. Okay, this as a 0 will come. So total value will become 9 0 0 0 9 0 0 0 9 will come. Okay. So this is will come here. So it will become, actually we can write it as 3 square 0 0 0 3 square 0 0 0 3 square, we can write it as. Means, see here, if I take A power of 2 though, so it will be coming as 3 square 3 square 3 square. Again if we do A power of 3 though, it will become 3 power of 3 0 0 0 3 power of 3 0 0 0 3 power of 3 will come here. Okay na? So again A power of 4 also will come as 3 power of 4 0 0 0 3 power of 4 will come 0 0 0 3 power of 4 will come here. This is a matrix will come here. So from this A power of 4 we can common from the 3 power of 4 from this matrices, it will become 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 will come here. So 3 power of 4 is equal to 3 3 ja 9 9 3 ja 27 27 3 ja 81 will come here. 81 into something what 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. From this we can write it as A power of n is equal to also. So if A power of n 0 0 0 B power of n 0 0 0 C power of n, we can write it as. If I take any numbers of A B C like A comma B comma C as an integer, if we take the, so this will come here. Okay. So this we can use the formula as whenever it has a zeros. Okay. Only in the diagonal form there is only one. Therefore we can do easily here. So this is the end of this first question. Now moving to the next question. Now third question, it is very important here. Solution. So if A is equal to is given here, what that given 1 minus 2 1 and 0 1 minus 1 is given, and again 3 minus 1 and 1 is given here. Okay. In this we have to find A cube first. Okay. A cube means, okay, A cube means A square into A. So means I will do first A square here. Okay. A square. So 1 minus 1, sorry, this is minus 2 and 1 0 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 1 and 1 here. If we multiply with this one though, so here we multiplication we have to do, no? Again we have to check once. 1 minus 1 minus 2 1, so right 0 0 minus 1. Okay, right, every question is right. Okay, we will multiply. So 1 into this row into this column, no? Okay, so first we'll get that one. So this is 3 by 3 matrices and this is 3 by 3 matrices. We'll get as a 3 by 3. So 1 1 ja 1 only. So minus 2 into 1, so minus 2 into 0 plus 0. So 1 into 3 plus 3. 1 2 ja minus 2, and 2 into 1 minus 2 will come here, and again 1 into minus 1 will come here, and 1 into here 1 1 ja 1, and minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, and here 1 into here 1, this is 1 into 1, how much? Plus 1 here. Okay, plus 1. Here again we have to do this one. So 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into 0, 0 plus minus 1 into 3, minus 3 here, minus 3 will come, and again minus 0 into minus 2, 0, and 1 into 1 plus 1 will come here, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 will come here, and again 0 into 1, 0 plus 1 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 1 here plus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 here also, minus 1 also will come here. So again 3 into this row into these totals, no? So these totals, so 3 1 ja 3 plus minus 1 into 0, 0, 1 3 ja 3 plus 3, and 3 1 3 2 ja 6 minus 6, minus 1 into 1 minus 1 here will come, 3 1 into 1 minus 1 will come here, minus 1, again 3 1 ja 3 plus minus into minus plus 1 ja 1, okay, 1 1 ja 1. So this total value will come here, a square is equal to, so this will become what we can write it as 4, addition 1 plus 3 4, this is minus 5 will come here, and this is 4 will come here, and this is minus 3 will come here, and this is plus 2 will come here, this is minus 1 minus 2 will come here, 6 here, minus 8 here, 5 will come here, so this is will come here. What is this? A square. So again a square into a we have to do. Okay, so this will into, so see, this is a square value, so here we got this a square value. Okay, this one, which one? This one. Okay, so after this we have to multiply with the a, no? So I am doing directly here, 1 minus 2 1, here 0 1 minus 1, and 3 minus 1 and 1 here. So I am doing directly with this, multiply with this a into a square. Okay, so this is a square, actually this is a, means it will become a cube will come here. Okay, now if you multiply with that one, though, it will become this into this, no? 4 1 ja 4 plus 5 into 0 0 plus 4 3 ja 12. Okay, again 4 into 2 minus 8, 5 1 ja minus 5, and 4 1 ja minus 4. So again 4 into 1 4, so into minus 5 1, so plus 5, again 4 1 ja plus 4 here, completion of matrices. Here with this one, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 here, and minus 2 into 3 ja 6 minus 6 here, minus 3 into 2 plus 6, 2 1 ja 2, and minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, and here 6 like minus 3 into 1 minus 3 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into minus 2 into 1 minus 2, so 6 into 1 6 plus this 6, 8 into 0 0, and 5 3 ja plus 15, and again what we have come here, 6 2 ja 12 minus 12, and 8 to 1 ja minus 8, and 5 1 ja minus 5, 6 1 ja 6 minus 8 into minus 1 plus 8, 5 1 ja 5. So it will become what will be the matrices will come means here 12 plus 4 16 will come here, 12 plus 4 16 will come, and here minus 9 minus 17 will come, and here plus 4 5 plus 4 13 will come, 13 will come here. So again this is minus 9 will come here, minus 9, this is the 10 will come, and this is 4 minus 7 will come here, and again 6 plus 6 21 will come here. This total will become like 13 plus 20 minus 25 will come now. So minus 25 will come, and again 6 plus 8 what is this one, 8 plus 5 8 plus 5 is equal to how much will come, 19 will come here. So this is 19. So a cube we got, and a square we got, and a no we know. So this we have to do. So after doing this, what we have to find the value. So that we'll do in the next page. So this is total equation we have to find here. So a cube is equal to already we got, and a square we got, and a is equal to we know, and I is also we know. So we submit this total values in this one. So here first a cube is equal to 16 minus 17 and 13, and here minus 9, here 10 minus 7, here 21, 25 minus and 19 here, and here minus 3 a square. So minus 3 into a square value is this one, 4 minus 5 4, and minus 3 2 minus 2, and here 6 minus 8 and 5 here, and minus a. So a is equal to what is that? So this one, even question, minus 2 1, and 0 1, and 1 minus 1 here, 3 minus 1 and 1 here. So after that minus 3 into I is equal to what? 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So this will get here. So after that this into 3 4 ja 12. Okay, so we'll write here 16 minus 3 4 ja 12, and 3 5 ja 15, minus into minus plus 15, this minus into this. So after that 3 4 ja 12, minus 12. Okay, minus 12 will come here. Okay, so sorry dear students here. So first 3 4 ja 12 here, up to here only we have to do here. So I will erase this one. So I will erase this one now. Okay, so here what is this means here? So 16 first term, in this first term 3 4 ja 12, this first term here, minus into 1 minus 1 is the first term here, and again 3 1 ja 3, minus 3 is the first term here. So this we have to take here. So okay, and second terms 17 minus 17 here, 3 5 ja 15, plus minus into minus plus 15 here. After that middle term, this one minus 2. Okay, so 3 into 0 plus 0 here. Okay, now next one 13 here I will write 13, and after that 3 4 ja 12, minus 12, and here next term minus 1, and here plus 0 will come. So this is the value of next term. So again here with this one we have to start here 9, minus 9 here we have to take minus 9, 3 3 ja is equal to how much? Minus 3 is there na? So minus 3 into minus plus 3 3 ja 9, plus 9. So plus 9 here, plus 9. So again what is over here? This over. So here 0 there, plus 0, here also 0 there, plus 0. So again here 10 we have to take 10. After that 3 2 ja 6, minus 6 here, 3 this over na. So here again 1 there, minus 1 will come here. Again this is 1, minus 3 will come here. Okay, after that this one minus 7. Okay, 3 2 ja 6, plus 6, here minus there na, minus into minus plus. So now here what will come here? Oh no, yes, here again what is there? 1 is there na? So this is 1 only. So here minus into minus, plus 1 here. Again 3 into 0, plus 0 will come here, and again here 21 there, 21, and here 3 6 ja 18, minus 18, and this over na. So here 3 minus 3 here, 0 plus 0 will come here, and after that minus 25, and here 3 6 ja 18, plus 18, 3 8 24 plus 24, and 3 5 ja, sorry ఇది ఇక్కడ తీసుకోవద్దు. సో ఓకే, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 1 here, 3 into 0 0 plus 0 here, last term here 19, and 3 5 ja 15 minus 15, and minus into 1 minus 1 here, 3 1 ja 3 minus 3. The total value will become comma as, so 16 minus 2 4 plus 4 0. So here minus 19 minus 4 will come here. This is minus, where this minus 2 came here, second term, so this is second term. Here minus into minus, this minus is there, so minus into minus plus it will come here, so it will become, so this is 17, this is minus 17, it will become 0, and here this is minus 13 and 13 0, so plus 9 minus 9 0. Here total this is 10 minus 10, this is plus 10 0, and here this is 7 minus 7 0. Here minus 21 plus 21 0 will come here. This 25 plus minus 25 0 will come here, and minus 15 minus 1 16 minus 19 minus 19 and plus 19 will become 0 here. So total 3 by 3 value is a 0 here, 0 will come here. So this is null set of 3 by 3. Okay na? So this is end of this third question. So very long question. Okay, now moving to the next question. Dear students, here fourth question is given as, so what is given, if I is equal to 1 0 0 1 and then E is equal to 0 1 0 0, then show that the AI plus BE whole cube is equal to A cube I plus 3A square BE, where I is a unit matrices order of 2. Here he is saying order of 2 means 2 by 2 here. Okay, so I is, now solution will come like this. First what we have, what is given here, so first we'll have to take AI plus BE whole cube here. Okay na? So in this first we have to find AI plus BE. So AI is AI plus BE is equal to A into I is equal to 1 0 0 1, and plus B into E is equal to 0 1 0 0. Okay, 0 1 0 0 here. Now from this what we get, A into 1 A into 0 0 0 A will get, and after that we will get as B into 0 0, so 0 B 0 0 will get here. So if we add this one to A B 0 A, this total will get here, which one, AI plus BE. So we have to do whole cube of this one, whole cube of this total thing, so that we'll get the answer here. Okay, if we think that this total left side is equal to LHS, so this total is LHS, so we'll doing that. So first this is AI plus B, if we do whole square to, it will become multiply with the same thing, A B 0 A. Okay, so this into this we have to do, so A into A square, so B into 0 0 plus 0, so A into B AB plus B into AB also will come here. Again 0 into something 0, and A into 0 plus 0 here will come, and 0 into B 0 plus A into A square will come here. So what will come here, A square 2AB 0 A square will come. Again we have to multiply A cube, we have to find A cube, this one, so this total cube we have to find. So already we did square here, we got the value of this one. Again we have to do with the A B 0 A, it will become so it will become AI plus BE whole power of 3 will come here. So this total, okay na, is equal to, now answer will come as this multiply into this so this into this, yes, so is equal to, here where we'll write A square into A cube, and 2AB into 0 plus 0, so A square into B A square B plus 2AB into A 2A square B. Okay, so again 0 into A 0 plus A square into 0 0, and 0 into B 0 plus A square into A cube. So what we have get, like a cube and 3a square b and 0. So this is 3a square b and a cube we got. So this is the ai plus be whole cube is equal to, okay. So what we have got, this is equal to what, now we have to prove this one also. Here we have to prove, okay. So this is RHS we have to find, and already we find the LHS is equal to this one, okay. So this we got, and RHS also we have to find, no, in this question only given that this is LHS and this is RHS. This I am taking this now, I will prove this one, okay. So these are LHS is equal to RHS, I will prove. Now here a cube into I is equal to what, 1001. So given question only that one only, so I is equal to 1001. So 1001 plus 3a square b into e is equal to what, 0 1 0 0 is given here, okay. So is equal to, this is equal to, so is equal to a cube 0 plus 0, a cube will come here. If we multiply with this one to with this one will get, and plus here 3a square into b, so something this will come 0, 3a square b and again 0 0 will come. So if we add these two things, so it will become a cube 3a square b and 0 a cube will come. So this is answer of RHS is equal to, so means LHS is equal to RHS. So if you want to do from I will tell some easy solution here. So from this only we can common a cube. If we common a cube, so it will become 1 and 0 0 I will write here 1 and plus 3a square b into 1 0 1 0 0 I will write. So here only we can conclude it one. So but if you want to take LHS and RHS some like that, if you can take, okay. This is the process, that one for this one, okay. Now second question is given, that solution here. So what is given, if a is equal to, so a is equal to already given, so that one 1 1 and 3 5 2 6 and minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 is given here. So what we have to find, a cube now. So a cube means a square into a, we can do now. First I will do a square here, my dear students. A square means a into a, we can write 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 3 into same thing 1 1 3 5 2 6 minus 2 minus 1 and minus 3. So if we do multiplication too, so 1 into, so this total into this total, no? So minus so 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 5 5 plus and 3 2 ja 6 minus 6, okay. So again 1 into 1 1 and 1 into 2 plus 2 and 3 into minus 1 minus 3 and again 1 into 3 3 and 1 6 ja 6 minus 6 and 3 3 ja 9 minus 9, okay. So this will got here, we got this one, and 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 5 ja, so 2 5 ja is equal to how much, 10. So 6 2 ja minus 12, 6 2 ja minus 12 and again 5 into 1 5 plus 2 into 2 4 and again 6 into minus 1 minus 6, again 5 into 3 15 and again 2 6 ja 12. So that is minus 6 or only 6, 2 6 ja 12, so plus 12 and again 6 3 ja minus 18, here minus 18 will come here, this is 12 minus 18, again minus 2 into minus 2 into 1 minus 2 minus 1 into 5 minus 5 here, minus 3 2 ja minus 2 ja plus 6 here. So minus 1 into 1 minus 2 will come here, minus 1 into 2 minus 2 and minus 3 into 1 minus plus 3 here, minus 2 into 3 minus 6 will come, minus 1 into 6 minus 6 minus 3 into 3 minus 9 plus 9. So this will come total as so this will become what we can say minus 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? 0 will come here, 0. This plus 3 minus 3 also 0 will come here, and this what is this? This is equal to plus 6, this one 3 3 9 plus 6, this is plus 6 will come here, this is 0 will come again. This 5 15 3 will come here, which one? 3, answer will come here, and again this 9 minus 3 will come. So this is how much will come? This is 27, no? 27 8 minus 7 will come here. So this is 1 minus 1 will come here, and this is minus 4 plus 3 minus 1 will come here, and this is minus 12 plus minus 3 will come here, minus 3 will come here. So again we have to do what we have to do, a square into this is a square up to now, and again we have to do multiply with the a, so into a. So a is equal to what? 1 1 3 and 5 2 6, again minus 2 minus 1 and minus 3. So this will we have to do here. If we do this one, though, it will become big process. Okay, so this into this one, okay, this one and this one. So 0 into something, 0 plus 0 plus 0 will come here, okay, and again 0 plus 0 plus 0 will come. So with this we multiply with this column though, so it will come. So again this row into this column is equal to actually 0 plus 0 plus 0 will only come. Okay, again we use this row and with this 3 columns. Okay, so 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 2 ja 3 5 ja 15. Okay, and 7 2 ja how much? Minus 14 we can write it na. Okay, so yeah, here 9 will come. I'm sorry, I forgot that one. This is 27 minus 18 is equal to 9. I thought it's 7. So 9, so where we are 9 2 ja minus 18. Okay, minus 18 will come here, and again 3 into 1 3 plus ikkada 3 2 ja 6 plus 9 1 ja minus 9 and again 3 3 ja 9 plus 3 6 ja 18. Okay, 18 here, 9 3 ja minus 27 here. Okay, minus this total row into these 3 columns again. So minus 1 into minus 1 and plus minus 1 into 5 minus 5, and again minus 3 into minus 2 plus 6 we can write na. So plus 6 we can write. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 here, 1 into 2 minus 2 will come here, and 3 into what we can say 3 into minus 2, so plus 6 we can no this is minus, no, here 3 2 plus 3 will come here, and again what will come here? 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 3, and minus into 6 minus 6 here, minus 3 ja into minus 3 plus 9 here, total will become, so this is 0 already we know, so this is 0, this is 0, so this is 18 minus 18 0 plus 9 minus 9 0, this 27 0 will become. Okay, so this minus 6 minus 6 plus 6 0 minus 3 plus 3 0 minus 9 plus 9 0, so total 3 by 3 is a 0 set. Say a cube is equal to null set. We got this one here. Okay, now this is the end of this section 2 only here. Section 3 is also there. So what we have did this in this video means second section, first question we did, and second question we did, third question we completed here. Okay, and fourth question we completed here. So 4 questions are there in the second section. So this is the end of today section 2. Okay, 3b, 4 questions are very very important. Okay, that's why I did in separate. So please do guys share and subscribe to my channel. share karo yaar, subscribe karo. Okay, subscribe karo, and as well as ఖచ్చితంగా లైక్ చేయండి ఒక్కసారి, ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ లైక్ మై వీడియో, లైక్ మై, ఓకే, తమ్ మారదు, ఓకే, లైక్, రైట్ మరి. So we'll take leave here. So I will do next video in the next class. Thank you guys.